Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well today. Today I'm going to show you a few little clips of my husband and I making the shelving that is inside the kitchen. We started this project in September and it's just recently I was able to finally finish up the painting the trimming so we could upload this video. Just to let you know that we are not pros, we're DIY learners, and we didn't have the proper equipment to make it, but we did it anyways to save money and to learn at the same time. So stay tuned as I show you the few little clips that I have.
Hi folks, when you're putting together any shelf or wood making project, you should always drill a pilot hole. When you make what's called a pilot hole, you screw through the wood. Of course, you measure off where you're going to place the screws, so you measure it as equally divided as possible, and then you put your pilot hole with a smaller bit than the size of the screws that you're using. So when the screws go through the wood, they'll actually turn and hold into place. If you make too big of a hole, it will, the screws won't hold properly. But if you don't put a hole, these 5 pilot holes, if you don't do that, the wood will chip on the exterior of your shelf or whatever you're building, and it will look bad.
Please like and subscribe. You can't even tell that I put wood filler in between the holes.
That's true.
Good job. This wood putty filler is really good, you guys. It fill in all of the black gap holes. Well, hello everyone. Finally, I got the chance to paint the trimming around the shelf and do some touch up with the purple paint. And I'm happy that I finally got the chance to do it. How we came about this green trimming color paint is actually kind of is funny, because I told my husband that I want yellow paint. He didn't know exactly what kind of yellow paint I wanted, but I was thinking maybe something close to this color. And he said, okay, let us go together and then I said I would choose the color paint. So I went with this man, and he chose a paint color, and he said that this is yellow, and I'm going to like it. And I said, I thought you were gonna let me choose the color that I wanted. He said God inspired him to get this color, and I'm going to like it. So I said, I didn't say nothing. Okay, I decided that there's several items in the apartment that I want to paint yellow. I want to paint the trimming yellow, and I also want to paint that stand over there yellow, and some other stuff outside yellow. So when I open the paint to start to paint the trimming, and I start painting the trimming, I thought I was in a dream or something. I couldn't believe my eyes. I said, oh, this have to be some sort of nightmare or something. Then I said, you know what? I've been waiting too long for this to do this trimming. I am not changing any paint. I'm just gonna paint the whole thing green, and I don't care. And I'm not gonna care if I see. I just want to get this over with, because we started this project sometime around September, around fall time, and it's just now I actually get the chance to finish up the trimming after doing that. So I started painting it. At first, I didn't like the color together, but then I started to like it, and I said, you know what? Something about this color green makes me happy, and you know me, I like different colors, and I always say the furnitures don't need to match and stuff like that. I like to have different furnitures, different textures and stuff like that. So I said, you know what? It's okay. I accept it. But then I started to like the color. And I went to the store the other day, and I saw this Christmas light, battery operated, was on sale. I got it not because we celebrate Christmas, but because I like lights generally. And here in Prince Edward Island, a lot of folks here, a lot of people here, they use Christmas light to light up their house, indoors or outside, or even their yard. Just because it's a cheap option to do that, because we're on an island and it's more dark here than in Ontario in the nighttime. So it's a cheaper way of lighting up the place. So I got this light so that when I feel like the kitchen is too bright, like right now, I can turn off a few of the lights and just keep this light on, and just read something on my iPad or watch a video or something inside the kitchen, and it's more relaxing that way. Let me show you guys what it looked like with the light off. The thing is, I wasn't even gonna put the lights there. I was trying to put it some other place, but it was getting too complicated to do that. So I said, you know what? Let me put it on the shelving. It's more easier. So that's what it looks like when all of the lights is off, and this is what it look like when one light is on with it. So this is the end result. I'm so happy that this got over with. The kitchen is starting to look better. And by coincidence, I ordered the tablecloth that is green. I didn't plan it. I planned to get the placemat to match the tablecloth, but it just worked out that the color green matched my tablecloth. That wasn't planned, so everything happened for a reason. Anyhow, you guys, please like. I'll talk to you another day. Bye.